Chiliz value equivalent to 2.2512 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1554 to 2.3075. The earlier day close, 2.2427. The change was plus 0.0085, plus 0.38%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 2.20 rands, high 2.35, low 2.05. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 2.37 rands, high 2.54, low 2.20. Chiliz conjecture on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz figure on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 2.29 rands, high 2.45, low 2.13. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz figure on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 2.49 rands, high 2.66, low 2.32. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 2.50 rands, high 2.68, low 2.33. In about 14 days Chiliz figure on Monday. April, 3, cost 2.67 rands, high 2.86, low 2.48. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. Chiliz figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 2.31 rands, high 2.47, low 2.15. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz figure on Friday. April, 7, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 2.19 rands, high 2.34, low 2.04. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. Chiliz estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost 2.02 rands, high 2.16, low 1.88. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Monday. April, 17, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 2.06 rands, high 2.20, low 1.92. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.68, while low cost 1.88. The found the middle value of cost 2.37. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.50, change for spring 3.7%. Chiliz gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 2.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.99, while low cost 1.88. The found the middle value of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.79, change for April 11.6%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 2.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.09, while low cost 2.69. The found the middle value of cost 2.87. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.89, change for May 3.6%. Chiliz figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 2.89 rands. Excessive cost 3.58, while low cost 2.89. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.18. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 3.35, change for June 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 3.35 rands. Excessive cost 3.35, while low cost 2.61. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.03. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.81, change for July 16.1%. Chiliz conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 2.81 rands, excessive cost 2.81, while low cost 2.19. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.36, change for August 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 2.36 rands, excessive cost 2.40, while low cost 2.08. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.27. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.24, change for September 5.1%. Chiliz conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 2.24 rands, excessive cost 2.75, while low cost 2.24. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.45. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.57, change for October 14.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 2.57 rands, excessive cost 3.19, while low cost 2.57. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.83. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.98, change for November 16.0%. Before all else cost at 2.98 rands, excessive cost 3.70, while low cost 2.98. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.28. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.46, change for December 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 3.46 rands, excessive cost 3.46, while low cost 2.71. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.14. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.91, change for January 15.9%. Chiliz conjecture for February 2024. Before all else cost at 2.91 rands, exorbitant cost 2.91, while low cost 2.27. They found the middle value of cost 2.63. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.44, change for February 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 2.44 rands, exorbitant cost 2.44, while low cost 1.91. They found the middle value of cost 2.21. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.05, change for spring 16.0%. ZAR to CHZ conversion standard equivalent to 0.4442 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4334 - 0.4640. The earlier days nearby 0.4459. Change for now 0.0017, 0.38%. ZAR to CHZ cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. WAC 21 cost 0.435 coins, high 0.467, low 0.407. ZAR to CHZ forecast on Wednesday. WAC 22 cost 0.455 coins, high 0.488, low 0.